If you want to save a Figma file to your desktop, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're using the Figma desktop app or the web browser version, the process is very simple, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find your file on your computer. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your design file in Figma. You can do this either in the Figma desktop app or right inside your web browser. Once your file is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the Figma logo. This opens the main menu, which contains several file options and settings. After the menu opens, move your cursor over File. As soon as you hover over it, you'll see more options appear on the side. From there, click Save a local copy. Figma will then create a downloadable version of your file and save it to your computer. In most cases, the file will be placed in your PC's Downloads folder, so if you don't see it immediately on your desktop, that's the first place you should check. If you want, you can then move it from your Downloads folder directly onto your desktop for easier access. This is a great way to keep an offline copy of your design, back up your work, or share a local version when needed. And that's it. Your Figma file is now saved locally on your computer. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple how-to guide.